Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't even know how to talk. It's been forever. Yeah, it's been forever really. I mean, that's if you're not new here, like if you've been subscribed for a bit. Yeah, it's been almost 2 years really. I think my last video was sometime March last year, maybe the year before if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I'm sure it's like 2 years or maybe almost 2 years. So but I'm glad to be back really. Like every second I spent away from this place, like I missed this space. Like I think that, I don't know, I just like this space. I really like YouTube. YouTube is one of those things that I do like in my free time. Like I just go on YouTube, watch other YouTubers, and for me YouTube is just like, it's my space. Like it's my space really. So like even if like nobody was going to watch any of my videos again really, I think I'll still put out videos every now and then. But yeah, really, I mean, I wanted to come back when I knew that like I was ready to be a bit more consistent, where I was ready to like really do it the way I wanted to. But all this long story is just to say that welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adedoyin. If this is your first time here, if this is not your first time, thank you for coming back. Thank you for sticking with me really. Like it's interesting, like the number of subscribers I have did not actually reduce during this period, actually increased a little bit. So like I'm really grateful for every one of you guys. That being said, this video is just basically me doing like giving you guys a life update of what I've been up to. Like it only makes sense to do that since I've been away for a while. Doesn't make sense to just come back and eat you guys in one video like that without, you know, explaining or at least giving you guys like little insight into what I've been up to or what I am up to right now. So yeah, honestly I should have checked my last YouTube video to even be sure of where I stopped, but I think it was probably sometime last year. I was in Lagos working with a fertility clinic, and yeah, that was like a bit of, I think I was in a bit of a fitness era then. I think myself and my husband used to go to the gym together. Yeah, so since that time a lot has happened really. So we relocated in this year, that's July of this year, about 4 months ago. I stopped working in fertility clinic, of course, obviously before we traveled. I had to stop working there. So we relocated to United Kingdom. My husband is practicing as a GP trainee. I'm not currently working in a medical role because like I've got exams to do and all that stuff. But here we're pretty happy, we're content. What else has happened? I mean, I started to, you know, go to the gym again. Yeah, because you can't relocate to this country and not add weight, like so, but we've been trying to strike a balance, like, because I mean the truth is, in a place like this you have abundance of both. So if you want to eat junks, you have everything at your disposal. If you want to eat healthy, you have everything at your disposal. So before we came here, we decided I wanted to live a very balanced life really, and wanted to live a healthy life. So it's been a bit challenging, but for the most part we've been doing it. But I still added a bit of weight. So yeah, so I wanted to get back into shape, so I started going to the gym again. What else has happened? What else has happened? Honestly, apart from change in geographical location, I don't think anything much has happened really, because I'm just, you know, trying to see. I don't think anything much has happened. It's still the same old me. So yeah, I'm glad to be back, guys. I just wanted to like give you guys like an update. So we are somewhere in Stoke-on-Trent. Stoke-on-Trent is not a very popular place really, because before I came here I didn't know much about it. So it's not a very popular place, but it's in the United Kingdom, in England. So yeah, that's it really. That's all I've been up to, or that's what I can think of that I've been up to basically. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys that update before I now go into posting my regular videos. And I'm really trying, I mean, this season is really, there's a lot going on for me, exam wise, personal life, but like I want to commit to like one video every week, regardless. Like I want to see it as like something that is important to me, and if something is important to you, you put effort into it. It doesn't matter whether it's difficult or not, you still try. So I'm not challenging myself. I'm not like giving myself something too extreme, and I'm trying to plan ahead as well, so that I have like enough videos to to post, even if like I'm not able to record any new videos for like a week or 2 weeks. Yeah, so I still have videos to post. So yeah, so we're coming back, and it's going to be one video every week, probably on Sundays. I think Sundays are safe. So one video every Sunday. And yep, I think that's that. So if you're new here, I'd really like you to subscribe, check out my old videos. I'm also going to be doing lifestyle content, vlogs, really. Yeah, so if you like to see stuff like that, please subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'm sure you love it here. Thank you guys for watching. It's so weird being behind the camera after such a long time, but thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for sticking with me. I'll speak to you guys in my next video. Bye.